Hello, and this is a quick video tutorial about a abstract nature painting. And this is, you can see this watercolor painting. I'm just making it yellow with watercolor, some white patches, so make it cloud type of effect, some red, and overlapping this color and blending, mixing, and now it's going to be satisfactions, make me satisfied. So now I'm going to paint some mountain like this. So this is a very easy type of painting you can do. If you are beginner, you can do in your at your home. Okay, so this is blue, and now I'm going to make some another layer of mountain, and this is another color. So it's looking very beautiful. So this is a very easy painting. You can make it at your home. So this is, I'm just blending the colors and the shadow effect. It's the shadow effect, the water dropping, and just the first step of, if you are a beginner, you can easily follow these steps. And this white patches say for the light portions, so I'm just making some other layer here. So it's going to be very easy one. You can draw it yourself, and please send me to my mail address or my Instagram page. You can ping me on my Instagram page. So it's some trees. I'm going to make some of this here, and just black and dark effect, some of other trees here, the trees. So it's a very easy drawing. Okay, so those are the drawings. Just going to make this one, and it's ready, almost ready. Okay, thank you very much for watching this video tutorial. Till then, stay tuned with my channel. Thank you.